Hey there, so I was sent over this cordless iDOO wet and dry sweeper. Let's take a closer look at how to actually operate it, and we'll see it in action and see what I think. So the sweeper comes with a quick start guide, a charging cord, an actual manual, as well as the sweeper itself. We did have to put on the handle, but it was simply done with a screwdriver. It just took a minute to do. So the basic functions of the sweeper itself, there is the power button right here, and below it is the water button. So if you're using that, you would press that to start the water flow, or you would hold it down to do an increased spray. So that would be more water. Here's the LED screen. So when you actually turn it on, it will talk to you and it's going to show how much power the product actually has.
Smart cleaning mode. Power off. Thank you usage.
Let's take a look at the bottom. So it does sit on this base. So that will collect any extra water that might be dripping or whatever once you're done using it. And then we've been drying the brush here. So on the back of the sweeper here, this is where the water tank is. There's a button here that you push in. That will come out. You can turn it upside down. The top screws off. You can put it back on, turn it over, it goes back in. Simple enough. We've only been using water, but I do not see anywhere that you couldn't use some kind of cleaner. So that may be something you choose to do, but I did not see that it was something you couldn't do in this sweeper. Back to the front side of the sweeper. This is where the dirty water tank is. So there's a latch here. It just pulls and lifts up. Your dirty water goes into here, so it can just be dumped out. So to empty the tank, if you take it out and turn it around, there's a little tab here, and if you just nudge it a little bit, then this will actually lift up. And it is on hinges, so then it can just be emptied and then closed back, and it will snap back into place. Then you can just replace everything and it's ready to go. So this is the roller, and it is actually spring loaded. So it just goes underneath and then it slides into place to lock it. So now it's locked on there, and if you push the button, of course, and slide it out, then you can take it out to clean it or let it dry. For using the handle on the sweeper, all you need to do is lightly place your foot here on the sweeper and then lean it back. It will lean back so it can be used. My wife and I have both been using this for about a week or so now, and these are the things that we like, as well as a couple things that we're still on the fence about. For one, it's super easy to load with your water. It's a simple tank. You just take off the back, put it on, and you're good to go and ready. It's also easy to empty the tank and clean it. The brush is easy to put on and off, and you can take it off and clean it and then let it dry. They are good for just a few months. It does recommend changing them every few months to keep them new and fresh. We really like the fact that it's kind of self-propelled. Once you turn it on, it starts moving. So there's not a lot of effort to push it around the floor, which is good. It also doesn't put down a ton of water because it's continually mopping it back up. So it's a nice light spray. We have tile in our bathroom and we have LVP throughout the rest of the house. So it's nice that it just puts a nice light layer of water to clean up, and then it dries relatively fast for us. The big thing we're on the fence about is the actual cleaning ability of it. We have darker floors, so we don't see a whole lot anyway. But if you wanted some really good scrubbing, I don't know if this is the right product for that. I think this is great for light day-to-day cleaning, but when something is going to need a deep clean, I don't know that this has the power to do that. So it's definitely something to consider. I don't think it's a bad product at all. So we haven't charged it except for the initial charge. It's got great battery life so far in as far as our capacity that we've used it. So if you are looking for something that is easy to use, easy to clean, something that is going to be used every day, every couple of days, just to keep you ahead of the cleaning, I hope this helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.